1.
Mary had a little lamb,
2.
little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little
3.
lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And
4.
everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary
5.
went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure
6.
to go.
7. 8.
Followed her to school one day, school one
9.
day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was
10.
against the rules. It made the children laugh and play,
11.
laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh
12.
and play to see a lamb at school.
13.
And so the teacher
14.
turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher
15.
turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about,
16.
patiently about, and waited
17.
patiently about till Mary did appear.
18.
Why does
19.
the Lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does
20.
the Lamb love Mary
Let's
so?
paint.
The eager
Yellow
children
color.
cried.
1.
Why Mary loves the Lamb, you know, Lamb, you
2.
know,
Green
Lamb,
color.
you know. Why Mary loves the Lamb, you know. The
3.
teacher did reply.
4. 5. Orange color.
Mary had a little lamb, little
6.
lamb, little lamb. Mary
7.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
8. Pink color. 9.
Old MacDonald had
10.
a farm,
Red color.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
11.
had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a
12.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
13. Yellow color.
Old
14.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a
15.
pig,
Green color.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a
16.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
17.
E-I-E-I-O.
18. Orange color.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his
19.
farm he